world. Today I thought I would do something fun. So you know how I've been loom knitting hats and stuff, like baby hats? Well, I'm doing something I've never done before. Well, kind of. I haven't done it on this channel before, but I have done it before I started the channel. Way back in the day, I saw on YouTube where people were finger knitting, and I was like, whoa, they can do that? So I tried it out, and I could do it. It looked good. So then, fast forward, a couple years later, I can't do it anymore. So I decided to make something really cool that's like finger knitting, but different. For this project, you will need scissors, yarn of any color or pattern, a loom hook, a toilet paper roll, 4 popsicle sticks, and the last thing you'll need is a hot glue gun. I'm going to write numbers on them so they're easier for you to read. Here's popsicle stick number 1, 2, 3, and 4. First thing to do after you've done that is take your toilet paper tube and your hot glue gun and your popsicle stick, and you put hot glue on the back of the popsicle stick. If you wrote numbers on the front, you put the hot glue on the back like that. So that's what I'm going to do. Once you've put glue on your popsicle stick, place it anywhere on the tube and press down gently but firmly, if that makes any sense. Always use adult supervision when you're working with hot objects. Now that we have 1 popsicle stick glued down to our tube, we're going to go directly across from that, which is right there, and do the same thing. As the glue gun gets hotter and hotter, your toilet paper tube and your popsicle sticks are going to be hotter and hotter. Once your popsicle sticks are glued directly across from each other, turn it like this and then glue popsicle stick here and right there. So I'll show you that too. Once every popsicle stick is glued down, take your yarn and just pull it out. Pull a lot out and drop it in the center of your toilet paper roll. Now wrap the yarn around each peg in an E motion. You don't have to do it like right there. Wrap it around again. Next, loop the bottom one over the top with your loom hook, or you could use a toothpick if you don't have a loom hook. Now, pulling some yarn out, I just have a yarn cake here, and I'm just pulling it out from the center. Once you're done with that, just put the yarn directly over stick 4, like that. It's like directly over, and I'm holding it with my finger right there. And loop this one over the top one. It's a great project for kids, especially like 8-year-olds or 7-year-olds to do, because it keeps their hands busy, and it also it gives it like, if they're artsy and craftsy, it's like good to do, because it's good to do. If this yarn that you started out with is out of the center, you want to push it down in the center, like downwards, like into the tube. Now it's in the tube. Now you can see it's there, and you just give it a tug. And this is the wrap that we're doing is called the flat wrap. And you just keep doing this over and over and over and over until you get to the length that you want this to be. So as you're working this, it'll look so good. it'll just look like that. And then if you go on the bottom and pull it, you'll really get that fingerish knitted look. Inside of the tube right there. I can't get the camera to focus, but like right inside, you can see that finger knitted kind of look. So you just want to keep doing this until you get to the desired length. See you then. Now, as you can see, it starts to come out of the bottom. See? This is what it looks like. This is what finger knitting is. If you actually finger knit like on your fingers. And this is a good way like to make a bracelet or a scarf, and you can connect them to even make a pot holder. I'm going to show you how to cast off. Take about 4 toilet paper tube lengths, which is about a foot. And all you do is you carefully take the stitch off and take the end and feed it through that stitch. So and now you're going to do the same thing to the other one. Once you're done taking that stitch off, you can remove it from your loom. And there you have this beautiful thing. And it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna have to pull it, and once you're done pulling it, it's gonna tie a knot. See? A knot. And you can cut a lot of these. You can cut the string, both strings, and make a bracelet out of it. It actually works as a bracelet. So I'm going to tie these two together, tie the two edges, like tie the two strings, and triple knot it. So I think that was a triple knot. So once you're done triple knotting it, you can cut off the end strings. And there you have a bracelet. See, I'm going to try it on. This fits perfectly. I love it. Okay, so this is my new bracelet, guys. It's so amazing. Oh, this thing works wonders. Let me tell you. So, that is how you make an awesome loom and a bracelet. It's amazing. I love it. Yeah, that was my video for today. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to join the fun family. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye for now. Please subscribe to join the fun family. And my last video is up on the top on the right hand corner. Thanks for watching.